Go.
I am looking for a very rare bird that I've been searching for many, many suns.
Would you like a cup of tea?
No, I told you to come with you. Anyways, I am looking. Still looking. Where's the word?
Would you like a cup of tea?
No, I don't want the cup of tea.
Okay, discovery.
Where is it? Alas! It's on the grass, okay.
Would you like a cup of tea while searching?
No!
Okay.
Oh, look at that. It is bird tracks. I shall follow them.
Do you think the bird tracks would like a cup of tea?
No! Or maybe, I don't know. Oh, what? The bird has suddenly just flown away. What a twist! Shut up. Okay. Okay, what do I do now?
Have a cup of tea.
No, I don't